Hey guys, welcome back to Vlogmas Day 18. I know I'm a little behind, but hey, I'm doing my best. This is my first Vlogmas, and I want to say that I'm proud of myself though. But today's video is a little different, and honestly, that's kind of the point. I'm in the kitchen in a cute little dress, freshly washed hair, very much in my soft girly energy. But behind the scenes, I'm also learning, right? I'm definitely a work in progress. I'm figuring things out as I go. And I wanted to let this video be exactly that. So today I made scalloped potatoes for the first time. And I paired it with a braided salmon. And let me just say, the food came out amazing, per usual. Like, really good. But the visuals, not so perfect. Wasn't my best work. I wasn't able to get a full close-up and get some of the footage that I would have wanted to display, my work. So I didn't get every angle. I didn't capture the salmon the way I wanted to, once it was like done. And for a second, I thought about not posting this at all. But then I reminded myself why I started Vlogmas in the first place. This season isn't about perfection for me. It's about being present, being creative, and being intentional with showing up, which is not easy, okay? It's very challenging. Even when everything doesn't come out exactly how I imagined it, that's like, it's one of my biggest pet peeves. I'm working through that though. I think sometimes, we forget that content creation is a learning curve. Nobody just wakes up knowing how to film everything perfectly, edit flawlessly, or always be 10 steps ahead. We're all just out here trying to find our rhythm, our voice, and our confidence. And that's including me. There's this pressure online to only show up for the highlight reels. You know what I mean? Show up when everything is picture perfect. To only post when everything looks curated, polished, and perfect. But real life isn't always like that. And neither is growth. So today, I let myself cook, create, and exist without overthinking every single frame. The scalloped potatoes were creamy, comforting, and honestly gave holiday vibes. The salmon, even without the final visuals, was prepared with care, and that's what mattered to me. The intention behind it, the effort, the fact that I showed up. And I want you to know I take what I do very seriously, even on the days where I feel unsure, tired, or like I'm still figuring things out. My goal is to stay consistent, to be myself, and not a version of myself that feels forced. Just me being me. This season has taught me a lot about giving myself grace, about understanding that growth doesn't always look loud or flashy. Sometimes growth looks like quietly showing up, pressing upload, and trusting that the right people will understand. And if you're watching this and you're in a similar space, trying to find your footing, your strength, or your place in whatever you're building, I hope this reminds you that you don't have to be perfect to be worthy of being seen. You just have to start and keep going. So thank you for being here with me during Vlogmas. Thank you for allowing me to be real creative and human in this space. I'm learning, I'm growing, and I'm grateful that you're here to witness it. And if you enjoyed this video, even in its imperfections, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one. Happy holidays.